Hi guys, welcome back to the Logic Pro X tutorials with me, Ashley Standland. Today we're going to be looking at how to change audio into MIDI. Let's do it. Okay guys, let's have a look at how to change audio into MIDI. I have got a cello line loaded up in the project. I'll just play it quickly, you can have a listen. And that goes on. So the first thing we want to do is double click on the audio and this will come up. Some of you might be on file, but we want to be on track just here. Then we're going to go over to this little icon just here and click that on. That's the flex. So we're going to turn on flex. Now once you've turned on flex, we want to go over to here where it says flex time and slicing. It might say something else on yours, but we want to drop down and we want to click flex pitch just up at the top here. So we're going to turn that on, and what that's done is it's created little data files. It's read the audio, and I can then go in on flex pitch and move this around if I want to. If you have a singer and you're changing notes to an audio file and they've sang it a little bit off key, you can then go and move. You can move these about and fine tune them to wherever you want. Now you can either do this now and then when it changes to MIDI it'll be nice and clean, or you can do it once it's changed to MIDI. So it's super simple. Go up to edit, drop down to create MIDI track from flex pitch data, click it, and it's created a MIDI file there. So I'm just going to make sure I've got something loaded in East West. Yeah, we'll just add that. There we go. So once you've selected your instruments, the Logic ones are here. I use East West, so I've gone into the East West dock here, but that is it. So if we play the new line now from the MIDI, it's changed it to MIDI, and I can go ahead and move these around as I would a usual MIDI file. Best thing to do though is listen to them both and make sure that your MIDI file has transferred across correctly from the audio. Which it seems to have done fine. So you would go through the whole thing, check it, and that's it. That is creating a MIDI track from an audio file. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching as always.
To help us bring you more content, please support us by subscribing to our channel.